Hello friends, I am Anjot and today I am going to discuss with you geometry of PCl5. In case of PCl5, one S3p and one dz square orbital of same energy level third are involved in hybridization to form sp3d hybridized orbitals, giving the geometry trigonal bipyramidal. Here dz square orbitals are involved, but if the dx square minus y square orbitals is involved, then the geometry would be square pyramidal. But here there is involvement of dz square orbital, so that is why the geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. So out of 5 hybridized orbitals, 3 hybridized orbitals are present at the corners of the equilateral triangle, giving the angle of inclination 120 degree, and 2 orbitals are present above and below the plane of the triangle at the 90 degree. So, two bonds which are present perpendicular to the plane of the equilateral triangle are known as axial bonds, and the 3 bonds which are present in the plane of paper of the triangle are known as equatorial bond. In the axial bond, there are 3 bonds present at 90 degree. But in case of equatorial bond, there are 2 bonds which are present at 90 degree. Okay, so in case of axial bond, these 3 bonds are present at 90 degree. In case of equatorial bond, these 2 bonds are present at 90 degree. Okay, so that is why we can see here that axial bond face more repulsion as compared to equatorial bond. So axial bonds are more longer, so weaker than the equatorial bonds. Okay, so these 2 bonds further of the chlorine atom which are present at 120 degree, they are having very less repulsion, as we know it from the Weisshaupt theory that as the angle increases, the forces of repulsion decreases. So that is why in case of PCl5, axial bonds are more long as compared to the equatorial bond. Okay, so with the more addition of the halide ion, the hybridization changes to sp3d2 and the geometry becomes octahedral. Okay friend, that's all for today. If you like this video or if this video is helpful to you in any way, then don't forget to click on thumbs up below to put in your valuable comments as well. I will come next with another topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.